Once upon a time, before time was even a thing, the legendary duo M-Todd and Slayer made their way into a teamwork puzzle and got trapped. How can they escape? They have to complete all their teamwork hobbies. Will they survive or will this be the end of their life? Yo, M-Todd! What's up? Wasabi?
Wasabi, bro.
Get in,
Wasabi,
get in.
Wasabi,
Okay.
bro.
You go.
Go over.
Okay, thank you. No, don't you dare. Psych! My bad. Go in.
Mythical short pull. Go.
No, I died.
And you were such a Ah.
Hey, yo. Thank. Okay, get in. I ain't gonna troll. Get in. I'm scared.
Accept it. You're a noob.
No, I will never. Let me jump on your heady. Come in. I'm taking green.
Take blue, you take green.
I go black, I go white. What you want? What?
Bro. Stuck.
Okay, come.
Never mind, I died.
Okay, you're such a noob. Just admit that you're.
Bro, I never even played this. How am I
Okay, listen up. I know how to do that. You don't. Oh, I forgot. My bad. Sorry.
You have dementia.
I don't.
I go.
Hey, yo, you are pushing me there.
Die. Ah.
You got to be kidding me. Are you that noob?
No, I'm not. I
Get your-
just don't have shift lock. Shift lock.
Who said I do, dumbass? If you die over here, I'm gonna be.
You died too.
No, I died because you died.
You also died with me. Stop lying.
Stop lying. I died.
Check his camera. Check his camera if you died.
Nah, I didn't. Let me jump over your head. Let me jump.
Going over you.
You go over me. Fine.
Now you ain't getting the ladder.
Fine, then we won't pass. Okay, now listen up. I'm taking blue, you take green. Okay, now listen. Don't go. This is the wrong thing which you did. Come here, I need to go on your head.
Then why did you leave me?
Now come. I thought you were smarty pants.
Why
Get in.
did we get the Guardian sticker?
I don't know, but let's just get in the second game.
I got a Doku sticker.
Jeremy Doku.
Let's play.
Okay.
Like,
They go up. Go up.
I am.
You want. Let me place. What does that do?
Can you go on the zip line?
I can't.
Why did you go?
I'm stuck.
You're such a dumb. You're so dumb, bro.
What?
You see that? You
Yeah.
see that log right beside you?
Which log? Oh!
Smarty pants?
Sorry, my bad. You weren't smart last time. Whee! You come in.
Why? Get off.
Okay, listen. I wanted a badge. Okay. Thank you. Are we?
Something so much, bro.
Oh, we are. That's because you're bad at teamwork. Everybody knows that I'm the goat at teamwork.
You bad.
Nah,
We literally better. Okay, now just stand on it.
I'm standing. Definitely not gonna troll you. No, don't push me. Number one rule in teamwork. Do not betray. Okay, are you kidding me? I'm taking blue. I go black, I go white. What you want? Why is it glowing? Get in fast. Let's go. We speed running. Guys, it's time to troll him now. Guys, I'm gonna troll this dude now. Yeah. Sorry, I was just talking to my fans. Dude.
Holy shit.
Holy shit. Yo. Pull me. Are you stupid? Get back. Get you.
Oh yeah, I have to go to.
Shut up. Yes. Now let me. You jump over my head, okay? Jump.
Nah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, wait. Hold it for me. I'll go. Oh, you know what? Fine. How did you die?
You told me.
I didn't.
You betrayed.
I was gonna troll you, but unless you troll yourself, okay? Not my fault. Get in.
I'm going.
Okay, go. I don't feel sorry for you, brother. I don't feel sorry for you. Okay. How? When? Why? Don't you dare troll me. Because if you troll me, we have to start this all over. Okay, I made it. I'm ziplining. Okay, I'm taking the red one. I almost died.
Go black, go wow, what you want.
I'm taking blue. No!
Are you done? Did you die?
Oh my god, I died.
Speed run.
I know, I'm doing it. Get on my head. We gotta speedrun this quick. I'm going. Why did you jump?
Why are you like this? Go.
I am. Get up. Now I'm staying.
The spinning obstacles.
I'm taking red, okay? You take blue.
Red.
I ain't gonna troll. I was dumb. Are you done? Get on now.
Stick drift, go. Stick drift.
Get up. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna hold it. Okay? You don't do anything. Oh my god. Pull me up. Yes, okay, good. I'm staying there. Don't you dare wait. Now go, Daredevil. My god, you take so much. I thought you died.
Should I fall? Purposely?
No, don't. If you do, I'm gonna be very mad at you. Now hold that. And hope that I don't die.
I hope that you don't die.
Lol. I'm ziplining. And I'm taking red. I got red, I got blue. What you want?
Take and chunk it. Chunk it.
You chunk? You chunky? I'm blue, okay? You take red.
Big black. I'm big, black, and chunky. Go! No, never mind.
Gum!
Oh shit.
Are you stupid? Get in!
Versus we are humans and humans are. Beat it.
Get in!
Okay, I am in.
Now you take blue.
I take red.
What?
Please.
Take blue, dumbass. I'm taking blue. Okay, are you kidding? Now jump on my head. Jump on my head. Now let me jump on your head. You went too far.
Lamborghini was it?
Boom, 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 beanie, boom, beanie. Are you stupid? Okay. Sit. Okay. Wait, I'm sitting. Sit. You better sit. Now jump. Labubi. Now sit. Jump and sit. Sit. Yes. No. You're bad at teamwork.
I love this.
Wait, I'm coming.
Come on.
Jump! No!
You died yourself.
I overdid that. Jump! Okay, I did it. Come fast. Okay. Go. Hold that. No, I died. Do I actually have to do this?
I already did it. It's too easy.
What?
Get
How? How did I die?
the amount of anger I have on me is 100 times more than I have on myself.
Sit.
Yahoo!
Wait. You stupid.
Yahoo!
Love me.
Let me just crush your nuts.
Yes. Get on. Get off. Get off.
Yahoo!
Sit. Jump. Don't do. Okay, I did not. Labubu. Labibi. Labib.
You died yourself.
Jump. Nah, it's just too big. It's impossible. It's impossible. Move a little ahead.
Yahoo!
Jump. It's just too hard. Go a little ahead. Jump. Now that's impossible.
Now you just
Jump. Nah, it's actually impossible. People who are watching me, just watch. It's impossible. Sit down. Now move a little ahead. Jump. Listen to my command. Go back.
Oh yeah?
Come back. Okay. Now move a little bit ahead. Not too much.
That was your fault.
That is your fault. Okay, move up. Hey, you. Where am I standing? Okay. Jump! You pushed me. That's completely your fault.
I did.
Jump! Oh my god, finally we did it. Okay, jump. I ain't gonna troll you. I promise. Now let's just hope that I don't fail on any of these jumps, which I almost did. I'm doing this. Okay, wait. What color am I? Oh, I'm red. So what do? I can't go on this. Oh, I do. Wait.
Nice.
Now I'm doing it for you. Come on. Can you jump? Dude, shall I get off?
Yeah.
Jump! Okay, now the last hobby. Jump! Okay, now.
You go.
Okay,
Now I'm going.
you go.
Yeah, baby.
I'm going. Don't troll. No! It's your fault. Get in.
Well, anyways, I'm just gonna beat it myself.
No, don't.
Never mind,
You can't.
I can't.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be red this time.
Wait. Let me come back. Okay. Okay, I'm blue.
Go.
No!
You're such a noob.
Why did you have to respawn? No beanie pizza ninni. Come here, Labubu. That's your fault. That's completely your fault.
The fault. You should have gone ahead.
I'm stupid. Come. You're red. You can jump.
Nah, I'm not ready.
My God. Cooperate. Now try it. Now try it. I'm telling you. It's very easy. How? How? I'm going to stop this video after we beat this. I'm going. You're blue, so I'm going. Jump.
I'm blue.
Sorry, I'm blue. You're red. Now go. Go. Labubu.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, I'm going. Jump. Jump. Okay. Come on. Can you just move faster?
JK, bro, JK. Ah! No!
What? No. Okay. You go.
Yeah, boo.
Labibi. I was about jump. Labibi. Okay, I swear to God, if I die over here on the get in. Go. Let's go. One last. I'm going pink. You go. Okay. Labibi. Lagigi. Are you dead? Okay. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay. Gam. Come. Ow. I respawned. My bad. I think we should stop the video after this.
Yeah.
Let me come. Labubu. Jump on my head. Jump! Now, come on me. I jump. This is. Jump! Come on, get up. Okay.
Go.
Oh my God! You stupid! You beast!
Yeah, boo.
This is the last time I'm doing this, or else I'm ending the video. If you die one more time, or if I die one more time on the hard levels, I am going to stop the video. Combust. Okay, come.
La boo boo, la bibi, la boo boo, habibi.
Okay, I'm stopping the video. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe down to the bell icon for latest videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.